Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu Coin, some Cardano updates, if Shiba can actually outperform Cardano and become a bigger cryptocurrency than Cardano, what some price predictions are for Shiba Coin, and lastly, we will go over some cryptocurrency news. We will discuss where to buy Shiba Inu Coin if this crypto has the capability to break into the top 3 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, if Shiba Inu Coin will continue to surge upwards, and if Shiba Inu is a good investment. We will also go over what cryptocurrencies that I personally hold, what my strategy is based on. We will perform some technical analysis of Shiba, and we will also talk about how the Biden administration may crack down hard on cryptocurrency holders and investors. Go and press the like button right now if you own any type of cryptocurrency. Comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency and what your thoughts are on Shiba Inu. Turn on all subscription notifications to stay informed, and now let's get right into today's stories. Bitcoin has skyrocketed over 20% in the last month, which added around $10,000 to the value of each Bitcoin. This surge in Bitcoin's price has elevated other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, and Solana, which has caused the crypto market to be worth over $2.3 trillion, which is insane. However, even though crypto is doing very well right now, the Biden administration is creating an executive order which would institute new rules on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Currently, we have little to no details of this new executive order from President Biden because it has not been finalized, which means that it can still be stopped in its tracks. But even if that does happen and the executive order is not released, eventually US regulation and regulators will have to create some types of laws around cryptocurrencies, and when that happens, that information will be made public. But right now, let's discuss how this regulatory news could affect and cause the crypto market to pull back, and politicians could use this to buy cryptos for cheaper because of these new regulations, but that's entirely my own speculation. The Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen says that the government should regulate cryptocurrencies, and this is echoed by Senator Elizabeth Warren, who thinks that cryptocurrencies may impact the overall financial systems negatively. And to a degree, I agree that cryptocurrencies need to be regulated because this will allow crypto to become fully mainstream so mass adoption can be completed. I disagree that somehow crypto is negative for the ecosystem of finance. I actually think it's very beneficial because, on the other hand, we have Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, who has reassured US cryptocurrency holders and investors that the United States will not follow China's lead by banning cryptocurrencies, which is absolutely fantastic news. But now let's focus on one type of cryptocurrency that has been in the spotlight more than once, and that is Shiba Inu Coin, which continues to climb in value. And this coin can be purchased on Binance, Huobi, Coinbase, and Crypto.com, along with many other crypto sites and exchanges. Some experts even predict that this cryptocurrency can become a top 3 coin. Shiba Inu Coin was originally popularized as the Dogecoin killer, and it currently ranks as the number 11 cryptocurrency, right behind Dogecoin in terms of market cap. What gives Shiba an edge over Dogecoin is that the team behind Shiba Inu announces regular updates and keeps their community engaged in what is happening in their ecosystem, which includes a new burn policy and the launch of 10,000 NFTs. The Coinbase listing for this coin was a powerful catalyst that is driving the Shiba Inu higher in price. What also helped out a lot is that Elon Musk posted photos of his new Shiba Inu dog, which could apply to Dogecoin, Shiba, or any of their copycat coins. Also, the burn policy for Shiba is another great bullish catalyst that has continuously pushed the cryptocurrency higher. On Twitter, they write, and I quote, "Our new partnership with @nowpayments_io gives business owners the ability to tap into the hashtag Shiba army by accepting hashtag SHIB through a myriad of payment solutions. But wait, there's more. A % of each transaction will be burnt. This is exactly what the community has asked for, and it's the perfect way we can all do our part to burn massive amounts of hashtag SHIB." End quote. The reason this burning policy is so good is because as you take away the supply, and if demand is held constant or increases, the price of these coins are also going to increase with it, thus making them more valuable to their holders. This recent and rapid growth is fueling Shiba's market cap as it has overtaken other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Chainlink, and Avalanche. Shiba skipped these cryptos like it was nothing because Shiba surged by over 245% in just 1 week, which are insane returns. Even the crypto analyst named Del Crypto thinks that Shiba could be a top 3 coin like we mentioned earlier, which would dethrone Cardano's ADA, which to me would be shocking. Many in crypto investors are still anticipating the flippening, which is when Ethereum will surpass Bitcoin's market cap if that happens, but the new flippening, so-called, is when Shiba overtakes Cardano as the number 3 coin. For comparison, Cardano has a market cap of around $71 billion, and Shiba has a market cap value of around $15 billion, so Shiba theoretically could 5x from here, which would be an awesome payday for investors. However, famous stock investor Michael Burry is not bullish at all on Shiba because he says this, and I quote, "Just saying, 1 quadrillion seconds is about 32 million years. 1 quadrillion days is 2.7 trillion years, or all of time. From the beginning of the universe multiplied by 71,000, in other words, pointless." End quote. The reason why Michael Burry is saying this is because Shiba started out with around 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu coins. However, through burning and a large donation to the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, Shiba has less coins now. Current analysts think that Shiba can hit 0.00005, which is actually over a 100% increase from where the coin currently trades at. However, what might stop their current momentum is the resistance level at 0.00003030. Here's a quick slide of technical indicators if you want to perform your own stock analysis, but now I want to talk about a trend that has been on an absolute tear for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu Coin is trending like crazy right now, and we know this from the amount of Google searches that it has received recently, which in turn has bolstered investors and given them confidence and awareness of this crypto, which then boosted its price. Right now in the United States, Shiba ranks as a 92, with 100 being the peak popularity indicator. And as its popularity increases, the higher its price is going to go as well. However, this is going to be temporary, because to sustain this popularity would be basically impossible. It's going to go down a little bit, and it might even crash. We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. From the last video that I did on Shiba a while ago, the coin had been very bearish, and it fell from its price, which I predicted, but until it surged, it had a negative descending triangle pattern into a pretty amazing rally. And this rally does make Shiba a good investment, but it seems like from a risk management perspective that this should only be held for the short term and not held or staked for long periods of time because of the lack of utility compared to other projects, and because we could see a repeat of what happened to this crypto last time it surged around to this level. However, that would only apply to me and my crypto portfolio. If it was you, it could be totally different because it's going to depend on your goals and your portfolio, so it's going to be different for various investors. In other cryptocurrency news, Vitalik Buterin, who is the face and co-founder of Ethereum, which is the number 2 cryptocurrency by market cap, spoke out against El Salvador making Bitcoin usage mandatory for merchants because he believes this was a political move by the country's president. And this would be indirectly bad for Ethereum because, again, the flippening, some people and some investors want Ethereum to outpace Bitcoin unless, of course, you're a Bitcoin maximalist. Some bad news does come in the form of Goldman Sachs cutting their US growth rate from 5.7% down to 5.6%, and the next year the projection is even lower at only 4% growth, which is not good for either the stock market or the crypto market. The economists who wrote the report said this, and I quote, "After updating our estimates of the key growth impulses that drive our consumption forecast, reopening, fiscal stimulus, pent-up savings and wealth effects, and incorporating a longer-lasting virus drag on virus-sensitive consumer services spending, we now expect a more delayed recovery in consumer spending." So keep that in mind as you prepare to play the stock market and the cryptocurrency market if you're using the economy to base your trades off of, which again, they are not a one-to-one comparison, they're more of a reflection, and sometimes that reflection gets distorted. Now let's briefly touch on Cardano and what cryptos that I personally own. So I mainly own Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Chainlink because I like the utilities of these projects, and I also like what all of them do. In summary, a university and a lab are training students more in blockchain technology to eventually transform Wyoming into more of a tech-central and blockchain-related state. If you want more on this story, feel free to click the source in my description box down below. And as always, I run out of time, so remember to like this video right now, comment your thoughts down below, I'd love to hear them, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.